What is a butt? What is a butt? What is a puppy?
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
You're right. Here's a typical Sunday for us. The other girls will probably come out here and help me with the bikes here pretty soon. We're gonna change the tube out on the little CRF100 that we have, and after that we might do some work to the 252 stroke we got, the little CR250. And
Minnie Mom.
yeah, and Minnie Mouse. Yeah, you want a little Minnie Mouse bike?
A butt.
No, we need to fix your little Minnie Mouse scooter. Oh, yep.
Oh.
Got to fix the little rear tire. It's all jammed up. Okay, we'll get that done too for Mimos. All right. Let's get it going.
I see bad.
Come on.
I see bad.
What?
I see bad. I see bad.
Okay. Come on. We already got the tube out last night. Okay. Here's. There we go. Of course, we're doing this bent over. Huh? I love you, babies. All right.
And the tail.
Let's grab all of our tools. You want a chair?
Yeah.
You can sit and watch Daddy. There you go. All right. We're on a little tire spoon. This is good. Here we go. You don't need all of these, but is the rim lock on there good? Yep. All right. Swing? You want to go in your swing? Okay. Let's put you in your garage swing. There you go. There you go. Swing away, girl. So go ahead and fire up the air compressor. We'll put a little bit of air in the tube. Makes it easier to not pinch it. Out, baby? Come on. You're all done swinging or no? You want to swing more? Yeah? So I learned on the good old YouTube that it's best to put just a little bit of air in the tube. Just enough so it takes form a little bit. So I'll do that now. You want out, baby? You want to come help? Okay. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. One moment. Here, come help Daddy. Okay. There you go. Yeah. So as I was saying, come here, Steve. Come on. Come around. Okay. This is the old tube. Old tube junk. New tube. New tube. New tube, hopefully not junk, because hopefully we do not pinch it. If we pinch it, we get to do this again, which is just so fun. So, alright, here we go. We'll take off that little nut, because that's the nut that goes on the outer. And leave that nut for the inner. And all we do here is we just put a tiny bit of air in. Just to get it to kind of take its form a little bit. Might be slightly too much air, but okay. We will put this right there. Okay, so now we're going to need some grease for the inner edge. Where did I put my grease? All right, Meadow. Come on. You never want to do grease on the outer right here, because then you won't get a good, it won't seat good against your rim. Oh, as I literally get some on the outside. Nice. Go ahead and get out of the way. Crack a yerba mate really quick. What about you? You want your water? No. Hold it. Alright. You know what, kiddo? We gotta get the dang machine that does this for you. You know what I mean? That might be a little bit too much air. So let's find what our damn. We'll try it. Nope, that's too much because of the red rock. Okay. Ooh, wow. dokie. This should be better. Because our rim lock's going to put pressure. We can always add more air later if we need to. Okay, so I guess I'm going to start over here by the dam. Where the stem goes to go.
Okay. Uh-oh, Papa. Uh-oh, Papa. Okay.
Alright. Now we get our little nut on there. That is always the part that I struggle with the most, is getting the damn valve stem through. Pain in the butt. There's probably a much easier way to do it without beating up your hands, but I seem to lack the intelligence. Know how to do so. Make sure you put this on enough it doesn't slip back through. Okie dokie. Now we work the tube around. There. Perfect. Perfect. All the way there. Nice. Nice and deep. another sip of yerba. We earned it. You want your water now, kiddo? You just gotta make sure that Mimo drinks plenty of water. Okay. Let's make sure we're still recording. All right. Look at you. What you doing, girl? Right, let's see about
bubble bath. See bubble bath. I see this bubble bath. My cheesy bubble bath. Cheesy bubble bath.
airing it up the tube the way I did, just a little bit. So I did have to let a little out so that way it could, because that rim lock compresses that tube, and it made it so it's a lot fuller than it needed to be. But I was watching a video on this. I don't know how many tubes I've popped over the years, and that little trick on the little 50 we have, it saved me from actually having to do 3-4 tubes, because usually I pop at least one. So I was able to get it in one shot. So we'll see if it was just beginner's luck or not here if we pop this one, because this 100 tube isn't, it definitely takes up a good amount of space in there. But what I'm noticing is that instead of this pinching it, what it does when it's full is it sits in there better, and then it actually kind of pushes it out of the way.
It's a back. It's a back. It's a back. Yeah. Oh, I got it.
All right, moment of truth. Let's air her up and see. Probably need more air compressor. Let's see if we can leave it.
It does.
What it has.
It does. It's very hot.
Make sure it's seated all the way around. And it sure did. And it's holding air. So, what do you think, Meadow? I think the put a little air in the tube so it takes form trick works pretty dang good. Yeah. I think it works. Wish I would. You know, my dad and my stepdad probably told me that when I was younger. I probably just thought I knew everything and didn't listen. So, but it sure works. It's 2 for 2. start reassembling.
Okay.
Let's get your water off the ground, baby. Oh.
It's dark. No,
Got a
no,
little
no.
wasp flying around.
I don't know.
It's that time of year.
I died.
Oh, yeah. Oh, caffeine.
It's a bad. It's a bad. It's so bad.
Okie dokie. Well,
Okay.
now we reassemble, girl.
Yeah.
Some grease for this.
Red. It's all bad. It's all bad. It's all bad. It's all bad.
Let's wipe our hands again.
What the hand? Okay, this out.
Paper towel. All right. We got our little shim in there.
Okay.
That went surprisingly easy. It's amazing how the little 50 we have is so tricky to get set up. This was easy. I'll just set that there. Hearts and hearts. And no, I'm not going to forget to do the rim lock. I still need to tighten up the rim lock.
I play. It's hard. Ah! Okay. Okay, Minnie Mouse.
Half there. probably a little tight. Plenty. It's a little heavy. It doesn't have. What's up? You good? Uh-oh, you're stuck. There you go. Now you're not.
Get the break.
Yeah, Mimos. Look out. You're showing them how you ride your bike? Yeah? Okay. This is kind of a boring part anyways, so that's okay. This is the part where we're just reassembling. That's not important. It doesn't matter how you put everything back together, right? Why does this look crooked though? Alright, where is the nut? That is the question. Missing a few spokes. But, it's fine. You don't need those. No, this is a little honey. This is funny. This is the bike. Out of all the bikes we have, this is the bike that gets ridden the most. Like, it's hilarious. Because I'll put the girls on it with me and we'll go rip around. We got 5 acres out here. So, we'll just go ride around our little putt-putt, trails that we have. And I'll just have them on it with me with the helmets on. And yeah, it's fun. You want to go ride, huh? You want to go ride? Yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, helmet. You need a helmet, huh? Yeah, she knows what's up. She's about to go ride. And we'll get Sissy her little 50, because she started riding now. I just got to tighten the rim lock and then do the valve stem. What, baby? I don't know what you're saying. If anyone understands what she's saying, please in the comments let me know. That's Sissy's bike?
Yeah. Right back.
Oh.
It's right back.
Not that I expect anyone to actually watch or comment on this video, but it'd be cool though. It'd be cool if we could start. Yeah. It'd be cool if we could start just doing stuff. It'd be cool if we could start doing stuff. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to start working on stuff with Daddy? What if we could make a living doing this? That'd be cool. Here, you want help? Come here. Come here. Ready? Grab it. Big push. Oh, there you go. You're so strong. The dream would be able to get my 3 girls out here, 4 girls really, and start working on stuff with them and do a little YouTube channel. That'd be awesome. A poopa? What's a poopa? So, here, let me show you something, Meadow. So I saw something, you guys. Here, look out. Stay right there. So, this little cap, right? So on a video I saw, it says that what you are supposed to do is you're supposed to take the cap and put it on. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. And then this nut that's your rim, your lock nut for the valve stem, I guess you're supposed to take that and you're supposed to tighten it against
Which?
the valve stem cap, because then I guess the whole goal is like you have the inside one, right, that holds it against it, and what this does is that gives room from there to there. It'll hold your valve stem cap on. Yes, baby. And it'll make it so it has room to pivot. That way, if it pivots at all, it doesn't just rip your valve stem. So I haven't tried it on the big bikes yet, but I think I'm going to try it on a little bike. Okay, let's loop the chain. You want to loop the chain, kiddo? You want to loop the chain? Oh, here's probably the culprit of what popped our tubes. I don't know if I'm in a good position. We blew out a couple spokes, and these decided to fall right into the inside. So, yeah, we'll need new rims at some point. But for now, it's just a putt-putt bike. It's okay. It is funny. It does get ridden the most out of all of our bikes. Dad life, right?
It's a Minnie Mouse.
That's a Minnie Mouse, yeah. Oh, I told you we'd fix your scooter. Yes, we will. We can. Absolutely. Hey, Meadow. Come here. You want to help? Here, spin the tire for Daddy. Go like this. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. Good job. Okay, you want to spray it? You can spray the side. Here. Beautiful. High five. Knuckles. Dirty hands. Dirty hands. Dirty hands. I was gonna get you. I was gonna get you. Oh, careful. Careful. Easy. Don't get too carried away. Okay, well, it's all back together, so. You wanna see? We just got to get your helmet. You want to go get your helmet? Let's go get a helmet so we can ride. Okay. You want to say bye-bye? Here.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll be doing more of these. And it'd be pretty awesome to be able to get some time with you guys just building stuff and just working on things. And who knows, man, anything's possible today's day and age. So, all right. See you guys.